Hey guys, so yeah, I'm done. Fender liner fits lovely. It is nice and snug. Everything lines up nicely on the fender liner. Unfortunately, on the deflector, it's not 100%. As you can see, there's this bit of a ridge here. It's not sitting flush like on the passenger side. Obviously, this is not the OEM one, so the actual fender liner fits perfectly. The deflector, not so much. I would rate that maybe about 80%. And you know, like one of the other things is, as you can see, that all doesn't line up properly as well. So it's one of those things. So I'm going to source the OEM one for the deflector on this. It's going to bug me that it's like this. I can guarantee it's already bugging me now. So I need to get the OEM one for this. But the fender liner is 100%. I'm gonna get the cover for the headlight. This here is there's a vent that goes on the front here of the, as you can see there, and it comes in, it just cools down the brakes as you're driving. So I accidentally, it came loose, I don't know how, and I drove over it. So I need to get another one, and then that goes, then this is sorted. Then on this here, on the brakes, seeing it, this is exposed. As you can see, there is a lip here. So I'm going to fit new disc, or American viewers or Americans call us rotors. We call it disc. New pads also need to go on. Then, as you guys can see, there's a gap here, and there's a gap there. And I'm sure there's a little plate or spring that actually sits here, so that when you slide your brake on, or the pad on, that it sits snug and it doesn't move around, it doesn't make a noise. And I'm pretty sure that this car does have, and I probably took it off accidentally when I changed the brakes or the pads a few times. I just haven't taken note. I'm seeing now, so I need to just go online and actually have a look and see if there is something like that. And then that's done on this side. Then one of the other things I need to do here is the side sill. As you can see, I don't know where this clip is. I don't see anything. It's probably, I don't know if it's here, but I'm not going to do this now. I'm just going to look and see how this must be done, and I have this sorted. So this is up next. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. Let me know what you guys think, what your thoughts are. Like I said, this lines up 100%. The fender line everywhere here lines up perfectly. Even up here, as you can see, even there, that's a little vent that runs, as you can see there, and the air comes through here, so it's like aerodynamic. So that's perfect on this side here. But yeah, this deflector is going to bug me. So that's next on the shopping cart. But yeah, that's it for now. I'm a little bummed. I'm not going to lie. I was super impressed with the fitment of this. That's why I made the video. If you click up in the corner there, I just made a quick review of Beeline Spares. I still will support them. This is a bit of a bummer for me, but the fitment of the fender liner was 100% on the passenger side and on the driver side. So that's going to be done. This is going to be replaced very soon, and then we're going to move on to other stuff with the F30. I'm probably going to be looking at other rims, other 19s, just to have another spare set. And yeah, Ollie also, as you guys can see, when he was still a puppy, he still is a puppy, but yeah. And so now I need to have this bumper completely resprayed. I hope they can fix this. I don't know if I'm gonna have to buy another one. I'll hear from the guy I'm going to take it to. His name is Cherry. He says that he can fix this, so we'll see how it goes. Obviously it must be lined up 100%. You let me know if that can be done, or if I must just buy another one. See if this can be lined up perfectly, or if I need to get a new bumper. I don't know. But yeah, few more things to come on this car. But in terms of its reliability, it's incredible. This car is running like a Boeing. It's just super reliable. So I'm pretty much impressed with this car. But that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, to you and your loved ones, please stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.